Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to delete pins in Pinterest. So let's get into it. First of all, open the Pinterest app on your mobile phone. Once the app is open, navigate to the pins you have shared on your profile. You can do this by tapping on the profile icon located at the bottom menu. Once you have accessed your profile, locate the pin you wish to delete. Tap on the pin to open it in full screen view. While viewing the pin, you will notice the three horizontal dots in the top right corner. Tap on these dots to open a menu. From the menu that appears at the bottom of the screen, select the Edit option. In the editing interface, you will notice a bin icon located at the bottom left corner of the page. Tap on this bin icon to initiate the deletion process. Confirm the action by selecting Delete. And that's it. The selected pin will be deleted from your Pinterest profile. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.